Hello friends, welcome to question number 1. The total cost of a taxi journey is calculated as $0.5 per kilometer and $0.4 per minute. Calculate the total cost of journey of 32 kilometers that takes 30 minutes. Okay, so this question is pretty straightforward. This taxi journey is billed by the kilometer as well as by the meter. So the total cost would be equal to the distance traveled, which is 32 kilometers, into the cost per kilometer, 0.50, plus the time taken, 30 minutes, into 0.40. And 32 into 0.5 is $16, and 30 into zero point 0.4 is $12. So the total amount that I am paying for this taxi journey is $28. Okay. So you just look at the distance traveled and the time taken and then multiply with their respective values 0.5 and 0.4. Okay, so let us go to part 2. The total cost of a journey of 100 kilometers is $98. Show that the time taken is 2 hours. Let time taken be x minutes. Now, if x minutes of time is taken, then what will be the total cost of the journey? Therefore, the cost would be equal to 100 kilometers into $0.5 per each kilometer plus x into 0.4. And again, this is equal to $98. If I take the dollar sign out, 100 into 0.5 is 50 plus 0.4x is equal to $98. From here, I can say that 0.4x is equal to 98 minus 50, which is 48, and so x is equal to 48 by 0.4, which is equal to 120 minutes, or 120 minutes is 2 hours. So therefore, what is the time taken for the journey? 2 hours. This completes the question. Okay. Question number B. 3 taxi drivers travel a total of 8190 kilometers in the ratio of 5:2:7. Calculate the distance each driver travels. So this is a ratio question. So the distance that driver 1 travels would be given by his share of the ratio divided by the sum of all the terms in the ratio into the total. So this is 5 by 14 into 8190, which is nothing but 2925 kilometers. So this is 2925. And then driver 2, for him his share is 2, so 2 by 5 plus 2 plus 7 into 8190. So this is 2 by 14 into 8190, which is nothing but 1170 kilometers. So 1170. And for the third driver, it is 7 by 5 plus 2 plus 7 into 8190, which is 7 by 14 into 8190, and it is exactly half of 8190, which is 4095 kilometers. This will complete this part of the question. Again, straightforward ratio question. If the ratios are A, B, C, then the values would be A by A plus B plus C into the total value. Okay, so let us go to the last part. After midnight, the cost of any taxi journey increases by $45, 45%. One journey costs 84.10 after midnight. Calculate the cost of the same journey before midnight. So let the cost before midnight be equal to x. And so cost after midnight would be x into the increase 45 by 100. When I take the percentage as a fraction, it is 1 plus 45 by 100. So I can say that this is equal to 145 by 100 or 29x by 20. So given, what is given there? 29x by 20 is equal to 84.10. So therefore x will be equal to 84.10 into 20 by 29. And if I calculate the value will turn out to be $58. So this is the actual cost before midnight, but then after midnight it just simply became $84.10. This completes this question. An easy question relatively. You should be able to do this. Thank you. Let us meet with another question. Until then, all the best.